So I was out here yesterday messing around with this for, I don't know, 15 minutes, but it was kind of windy and cold, and soldering didn't work very well in wind and cold. Let's see if this thing's warm. Ooh, much warmer than yesterday already. Still not so great, but better. This was soldered together previously and pretty rough looking, so that's the next one I'm going to try. Maybe it's a combination of all of them. Well, we got a sign. As I was just kind of checking over fuses again, I pushed this thing down more and then got a noise, a click from this, which, if I recall correctly, is like a tip over switch that's meant to cut power. So when it does it, it gives power to this. Something's not too happy with the starter because it seems to kind of lose engagement. See, so after a couple cranks it loses connection. Okay, well, that's a big problem. Before I blow myself up, I'm going to shut this off because that was quite a bit of fuel leaking. And as you can see, yeah, that's quite a bit of fuel leaking. Alright, so next step, airbox comes off. Just the tool I need to get in there. Right angle screwdriver, ratcheting. Pretty neat. Let's see if this thing will take a tightening. Even then, this stupid gear shift lever gets in the way. Just before I mess anything up, I think I'm going to call it for today. And because we've had quite a bit of success, go edit a video.